Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have great news for you guys. I'm going to be starting a flower series. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a few type of flowers that you would need in your caking journey. At the beginning of my cake making journey, I always avoided how to make flowers. I felt it wasn't looking realistic enough even when I see it on other people's cake. But however, I thought, okay, why don't I use artificial flowers? You can't take away the fact that those flowers are artificial flowers and they look like artificial flowers. Now, in this series, I'm going to be teaching you how to make realistic looking flowers that would pass for the real thing. Yes, it's going to be as realistic as I can, but I'm going to take you guys on this journey with me. When I went through my training, flower making training, I had to pay for it. However, in this course, in this series, I'm going to be giving it all for free on this channel. So tell somebody to tell somebody that Belicious Dessert is going to be teaching you flower making for free. If you don't mind, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. Like this video and share it to somebody who actually needs it. Like I always say, this is an example of what I'm trying to say. This looks so pretty, so real. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Bye bye for now.